In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a Jira timeline. Whether you're managing software projects, IT tasks, or business workflows, Jira provides a robust platform for keeping everything organized and timely. We'll cover steps so you can effectively navigate your way through setting up a timeline, which can be a game changer for tracking project progress and deadlines. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Atlassian website, which serves as the hub for collaboration across software, IT, and business teams. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in to your Atlassian account. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button at the top of the page. If prompted, enter your credentials. Remember, access to Jira and its features requires an account, so make sure you have one set up ahead of time. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to Jira Home. This is where you get an overview of your projects and can navigate to various parts of the software. From Jira Home, find your way to the Projects section. This is crucial because configuring a timeline is specific to a project you're working on. So, click on Projects. Here, you will see a list of projects you have access to. Now, it's time to pinpoint the project you want to create a timeline for. Once in the project area, look for the option labeled Timeline. Clicking on it will take you to where you can view and set up your project timelines. It's a straightforward but pivotal step, as this is where you can start to visualize your project from start to finish. Understanding how to operate within the timeline view is essential. You can add tasks and adjust timescales directly on this interface, offering flexibility to accommodate real-time changes in your project's schedule. A well-managed timeline can improve overall project tracking, ensuring deadlines are met and everyone on your team remains aligned with the project's goals. Some additional tips for making the most of your Jira timeline. Regularly updating the timeline as project components progress will help maintain accuracy. Engage with your team for their input regarding timelines to keep it collaborative and ensure it reflects realistic goals. And there you have it. An efficient path to configuring a timeline in Jira. By following these steps, you'll optimize your workflow, streamline project tracking, and cultivate a more organized work environment. Don't forget to explore additional features of Jira timelines, like dependencies and milestones, to further enhance your project management practice. Thank you for watching this guide on how to configure a Jira timeline. Be sure to practice these steps and incorporate the tips provided for maximum efficiency. Stay tuned to our channel for more project management tips, and remember, effective planning is the key to successful project execution. Have a great day, and see you next time.